voices in my dreams telling me where I should go, saying over here is where I wanna be. This melody is in me, saying this is who I am. Ding up, I ain't going now. A pound of guacamole. There ain't no way to show you none so cheeky. Zito, galum culomino. When you smile, when you dance, when you look into my eyes, so cheeky zinto, galum culumino. There ain't no way to show you, so cheeky zinto, galum culumino. When you smile, when you dance, when you look into my eyes, so cheeky zinto, galum culumino. Naba bendibusa, ngabuzokwenza nina, bathi ndenzani izihlekisa ngabantu. Oh, naba bendibusa, bathi uzokwenzani na. Nilapha ndenza indima yami, oh, njengabana nesiphiba. I'm saying this is me, so please let me be. I'm giving you my love, I need your affection. I'm saying this is me, so please let me be. I'm giving you my love, I need your affection. Say this is me, so please let me be. I'm giving you my love, I need your affection. Say this is me, so please let me be. I'm giving you my love, I need your attention. Oh, ain't no way to show you, so cheeky is it though. Down to me, when you smile, when you dance, when you look into my eyes, so cheeky is it though. I'm to me, need that bamba moya, bamba moya, bamba moya, bamba. Only that bamba moya, bamba moya, bamba moya, bamba moya. Need that bamba moya, bamba moya, bamba moya, bamba moya. Need that bamba moya, bamba moya, bamba moya.
Uli hoti mola pilu yaka, lerato la haula mpula la tela. I love you. I love
and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're new here, welcome. I hope you love it here. I hope you like this video and I hope you subscribe. So today is Tuesday and I thought I should come in here to open this vlog, usually what I do is I start off by vlogging first and then get intro, and I find it like sometimes that it's a vlog, but actually the intro. So today I thought I should make an intro first. I see some new vlogger. I don't even know where this vlog is going, but what I do is retro vlog, and you guys are gonna get a vlog, okay? So we are 20 subscribers away from reaching 2K. So if you are watching this vlog and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please consider subscribing. Also, please watch ads. Please don't forget to like this video and share if you like, please share the vlog. And yeah guys, welcome to a new vlog. Enjoy. You're the woman of my dreams. Hoti mola piluya ka Lirato la haulim pula la tala I love you. Uli hoti mola piluya ka Lirato la hau kibu pilo baka. Complete and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. I'm so surprised how you could do me like that. All up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. Give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm leaving it all behind. I'm gonna leave it all, yeah. I won't let it get into my mind, no. He's a man, but he is just a boy. No. Won't let it steal away my shine, no. I know you're thinking about me from time to time. Before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. 'Cause I am on a roll, yeah. So don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Right? Oh yeah. Oh, you never complete and you never come through. Yeah. Oh, you're looking so surprised how you could do me like that. Oh, give me some space, I don't care what you do. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna leave it all behind. Let it get into my mind, no, yeah. He thinks he can, he's a man. Oh, won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again.
get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've get from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink if you was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good